Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys how to put back the steering wheel on a 93 model Mark III Jetta. Make sure you've got ample space to work with. Also still learning, guys, so need to put back this panel.
This is how I show you your dangmat pain. This is money, your dangmat pain.
Okay, for now I'm just gonna put one on. Hold. Basically, this is just the cover.
Every day, every day. That's all. Dangmat pain. Dangmat pain. Wala man makatangalan na yung challenge to dyan. Dangmat pain. Oh, what you dyan? Net kanjalo, bonke ndo.
Right.
Diyala nasa rep teacher yung dangmat pain.
So you just the first thing you're gonna put back is okay. Here you go.
The wiper mechanism, boy.
Put back the wipe. No, get rasa man. Ish.
Oh.
Make sure you put back the switches. And the most important part, make sure you don't move this a lot because then the steering angle is going to be a bit fucked up. Remove all these boykies. Make sure you put them on the right side. Gotcha. I was actually trying to get into the steering lock, but it seems like this model's steering lock and the steering wheel bearings are all mounted together. But I think on the earlier models, you can remove the cylinder lock, ignition cylinder lock. It's separate to the actual thing. I actually saw a video earlier on Facebook from another dude. His was separate, but he's doing it on a Beetle. Anyway, got that bad boy in. Put the second one with the the
thing.
Terminology still fucks me up. Make sure it goes in properly, and then you can put these switches back on. Once you got that going, back to the steering wheel.
I'm a boat club.
Be patient, guys. I'm still learning.
Yeah, we're patient. Don't worry.
Put it back in there. So, guys, let's just give me feedback if this was helpful or not. Just tight that bad boy. Too big. Not what she said. Got that back in there.
Weer.
Hey man, hij is van die radiator. Hoe zou je kallen? Make sure you can still see these bad boys do their job. And so yeah, here's the cylinder lock. Show you. So how to get this bad boy out? Another thing I can teach you all is the key. Right. So these bad boys, if you ever wanna remove it from the cylinder lock, let's say you lost your keys, you wanna reprogram it. You use the old keys. Let's presume now that the thing is on. Right, so let's presume that the thing is on now. You put the keys in. Oh fuck, steering's locked. But you put it on accessory, and there's a with all the mountings in there. If you've removed all the coverings, you put your flat screwdriver in there, and you literally wiggle it out. And then if you want to reprogram the keys, you put the key in there. You hold it in place. See? Right. Until you can see all the pins there. And if you can see all the pins right there, just hold it in. You just make sure you hold it like that. Turn it. Yes. And then you remove those pins one by one, and then you can reprogram them regardless of what key you're gonna get on. But yeah, so just a quick tutorial on that bad boy. Put that back in there. Right. Comes the steering wheel. Make sure you put it back in the direction that you took it off. So I presume that you put it straight so you get everything right. So I had to lock my steering just so I could get it back to normal. And then you hold it in place.
It's a little too much.
Hold it in place there.
Wait, too much. Little too much.
Too much, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, see, that's why I have friends around. If you put it on wrong like that, you're gonna be fucking. You're gonna end up in another car. So make sure you remember that. So I presume I recommend that you lock the steering first, and then take out the steering wheel in that angle and put it back in that angle. Because when you tighten it, it's gonna move around, and I don't need to tell you the details.
I'll tell you.
No time.
Yes,
So like the video on YouTube, or leave any recommendations, or comment and tell me if this was helpful. Thanks guys.